Welcome. My name is Lacey. This is going to be our gentle full body flow class. If there's anything that feels uncomfortable to you or feel any kind of pain, feel free to do something completely different or adjust and modify as needed. You know your body. If you wouldn't mind, let's get started. Feet come together, big toes together, feet parallel to the ground in mountain pose. Keeping the tailbone underneath our shoulders, pulling the belly button in, hands by our side. Elongate the spine all the way through the neck as though you're being pulled up by a string and settling your hips and your feet down into the ground. Take a few moments to breathe in this position. Inhale and exhale. This time, inhale, reach the arms overhead, driving the shoulder blades down away from the ears, swiveling your elbows to face the front, squeezing your bicep towards your head and your ears. You can clasp your hands and release the index finger if that feels good for you, or just have arms straight out overhead. Inhale and exhale, release. Breathing in, inhale and exhale, being mindful of a strong arm, strong belly, warming up the entire body with our breath. Exhale. This time, fingertips come to touch. Brace the abs, pull the glutes in, and baby back bend as you settle deeply into the ground. Exhale to release. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, release the arms. One more time. Inhale. Fingertips come to touch. You can clasp your arms. Elongate the spine. Exhale, squeeze the glutes. Baby back bend. Tucking the chin, taking a look up at the sky. Exhale to release. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, release the arms. This time, arms come overhead. We'll do a side bend. Clasp your hands, release the index finger. Swivel the elbows, drop the shoulder blades. Tuck the chin ever so slightly. Bracing the abs. Inhale, lift and lengthen the spine. Exhale, C shape to the right side. Feeling your hips settle into the ground. Exhale to release. Inhale to lift and lengthen. Exhale, C shape to the left. Inhale, lift and lengthen, squeezing your head in between your biceps to your ears. Exhale, C shape the spine, feeling your ribs slide down into your hip pocket, the opposite rib opening up. This time, if you want to add an open swivel of your shoulders, keeping those hips neutral. Exhale to release. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, C shape. Inhale to open. Exhale to release. Beautiful. One more time on each side, whatever feels good for you. Maybe stay here. Maybe add the swivel using your breath as a guide. Just warming up the whole upper body. Exhale to release. Come to a wide standing mountain position. Hips move back. Hands on the knees, belly button in. We're going to do a wide stance cat-cow. Belly button in, round the spine, tuck the chin. Feel the tailbone tuck. Feel the openness of the upper back. As you inhale, open up the chest. Pull the belly button in. Dropping the shoulder blades away from the ears. Exhale, round the spine. Feel everything curl under. Inhale, open up the chest. Exhale. And inhale. Feeling out your own body, not locking the elbows, soft knees. Pulling the belly button in to protect the low back. Using your breath as a guide, going as quickly as your breath goes. Exhale, come to neutral position, feet facing forward, knees facing forward, nice long flat spine. Bringing the elbow, right elbow to right knee, left elbow to left knee, opening up the chest. We're going to rotate just our shoulders, looking up at the sky. You can add an extension of the arm if that feels good for you. Exhale, reset, flat back. Inhale, lengthen spine. Exhale, right side this time. Exhale to reset. So we're doing a wide stance twist. Strengthening our low back, lifting those hip bones, belly button in. Keeping a nice flat spine, tucking the chin ever so slightly, using our breath as a guide. Last two. Feeling out the smoothness. Last one. This time, elbows come to the inside of the knees, press the hips up, feel the stretching of the hamstrings. If this doesn't feel good for you, just come back down to a flat back, opening up the knees. Inhale to lift, exhale to settle deeper. Prepping ourselves up for the goddess squat. Exhale. Inhale, maybe come down into a forward fold. Exhale, elbows to inner thigh, nice flat spine, tucking the chin for a nice long spine all the way through our neck. Coming into forward fold, if that feels good for you. Tucking the chin, looking between your legs. Exhale, back. Belly in, round the spine, roll on up. Knees out, feet out this time. Tailbone is right underneath shoulders. Find a nice deep sumo squat. Arms come out to cactus in our goddess. Inhale to lift. Exhale to lower. Inhale, lift. Exhale, can you get a little deeper? Keeping our toes on the insides of our knees. Inhale to lift. Exhale, spread the fingers wide. Strong arms, strong back, strong belly. Inhale and exhale. Bringing our left elbow to our knee. We're going to reach over. And then exhale back to strong cactus arm. Right side this time, elbow to knee, reach over. Exhale, strong cactus arm. Find your flow. So goddess reaches. If you would like a little bit more, you can always reach down towards your ankle instead. Exhale and inhale, whatever feels good for you. C-shaping that spine, feeling the rib slide down into the hip pocket. Last two. Last one. Wide-legged forward fold, feet come forward, facing towards the front, knees facing towards the front. Hinge the hips back, flat back extension. Strong belly, strong arms, tucking the chin just ever so slightly. Swiveling the elbows so that you're embracing your ears with your bicep. Exhale, forward fold, relaxing the neck to the back wall. Lifting the hips, planting your legs, feeling all four corners of your feet grounded into the ground. Inhale, lengthen the spine, pressing those hips up. Exhale, find a little bit more in your forward fold. Turn your head just slightly to your right and just walk your arms over to your right foot. You can grasp your ankle, your calf, or your thigh, whatever feels good for you. Soften the knee if it feels better for you. Inhale and exhale. Take a look to your left and walk your arms over to the left side. Again, you can grasp your ankle, your thigh, or your calf, whatever feels good. You can bend that knee if it feels better for you. Inhale and exhale. Come back to center, tucking your chin so that you're looking in between your legs. Relax the neck, lifting the hips high, bracing the abs. Bend the knees just ever so slightly, belly in, roll it on up, feel every single vertebrae until you come all the way to standing, taking your time, feeling out every single vertebrae, using that breath. Inhale and exhale, find a wide standing mountain. Lifting up the left heel, we're going to rotate into a lunge, lifting up the right heel. Both are parallel, like on a train track. Dropping down our left knee onto our mat, reaching down into a runner's lunge. If you feel so inclined, you can lift that left knee back up for a little bit more intensity. Lift the chest even more, dropping the hips, keeping the knee right over the ankle. Spreading the toes wide for stability, squeezing the thighs for stability. Inhale to lengthen the spine, tuck in the chin ever so slightly. Exhale, revolved runner's lunge. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, settle a little bit deeper. One more breath. Inhale. And exhale, release. Tuck the chin ever so slightly. Come to forward fold. Exhale. Big step back with the right foot this time. Spread the toes wide. Drop the knee if needed. Inhale, lift and lengthen the spine, or lift the knee if you want a little bit more intensity. Inhale to lengthen, tuck in the chin ever so slightly. Exhale to revolve, bringing the center of your chest out to the outside of your knee, keeping those hips stationary, bracing the abs, settling those hips. Again, dropping down to the knee and dropping the toes if it feels good for you. Last few breaths. Inhale and exhale. Exhale to release. Tuck the back toe, tuck the chin, come to forward fold. Hinging the hips high, relaxing the neck at your own pace and your own time. Belly in, roll it on up. Feel every single vertebrae. Come to mountain. Toes together, feet parallel, second toe parallel with each other. Spread the fingers wide, relax the shoulders away from the ears, open up the chest proudly, squeezing the shoulder blades, bracing the abs, feeling the elongation of your spine. Thank you so much for joining me on today's journey. Hope you have a great day.